Getting to confirm your identity or certain actions has been restricted error on Facebook Messenger. Then here's how you can fix it fast. First thing first, you need to check the security alert. Open the Facebook application or website on a device. Look for any security notification asking you to verify your identity. If so, verify your identity. You will need to follow all the steps shown. Confirm your phone number or email address. Enter OTP code or upload ID if asked. Complete this fully, partial verification won't fix it. After that, you can try changing the password of your Facebook Messenger. Sometimes changing the password helps remove temporary restrictions caused by suspicious activity. Also, you have to avoid the spam behavior, sending too many messages quickly, copy-pasting the same text messaging strangers repeatedly. This activity often triggers the restrictions. After that, the next thing you can try doing is update the application Messenger. Head over to App Store and search for a Messenger app. You can see the option of update. Simply click on update and update the application. Once you've got the updated version, the next thing you want to do is go back and move into settings. Head over to general and move into iPhone storage. In this space, move into Messenger app. Click on offload app and once again tap on offload app. It will clear the cache and the storage of the application. It will also remove all of the unwanted bugs and make your application run smoothly. This should also fix the issue that you have been facing and then you'll be good to go. So that's the end of the video. If this video helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.